What's up, ladies and suckers? It's TVE 635 and doo 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 doo. I got the Rolo Blizzard. And it's melted as a mug. Ugh, it's all melty. It's all gushy and all melted. I got a call a while ago, like 20 minutes ago, and it's in California. It's like 80 degrees, so it's kind of melted, but whatever. I'm gonna eat it. So you guys know it's let's eat, boy. Let's eat. You guys already know that. I'm gonna do an introduction. Let's see how it tastes. Look at this food. Dang, it's good. I've never heard of this candy before either, Rolo. Never heard of it. It tastes really good though. It tastes amazing. Uh-oh. Yeah, see my dog? Let eat! I'm just kidding. Shout out the cat, it's nasty. But it tastes really, really good, man. This is No, something tastes good. It hits you right there in the heart. Right in the nipple. I'm not gonna show my nipple. I'm not trying to get banned for copyright or something. I said copyright for showing my nipple. Oh, I don't know. It tastes good. What I judge? With the ice cream. Let's see a big chunk of this ice cream. My computer about to turn off. Bruh. Tastes amazing, man. Oh my goodness. This may be TBE. I don't know. I don't know. What the dog think though? She ready? Let me make sure there's no chocolate. Yeah, see my dog? She know what time it is. Lick the hand. This is the dog test, guys. I don't think she likes it, man. I don't think she likes it that much. But I like it. Tastes good. Really good. Shout out to Rare Nation 2014. He's the one who told me to, like, I should do this next. I don't get no brain freezes. I don't get tired. I don't get brain freezes. I don't get tired. I don't get brain freezes. I don't get tired. Look at his face. Best thing to eat in the league. Look at this. I'll take it right to my teeth too. I don't care. Shut up, dog. This dog barking out there. I don't even know who it is. So it's time to rate it. Let me get a little bit more. I wish I ate it right when I got it, but I did it for you guys. Did it for you. Yeah, you. I did it for you guys. I was like, I can't do it. Can't do it. I gotta wait till I get home. I gotta get to my dog. How'd you like that? It was good? Good. Alright. So, the ratings. Sucks. Bad. Wookie. Fleek. Gucci. And TBE. And the rating is... The rating is... Gucci. Gucci is a Gucci seal of approval. Finger looking good. I forgot one thing. The price. The price, you ask. Shoot, what was the freaking price? What was the price? It was off. $5.19 for a large, like a big one. Right below that was like $4.89 for this. $4.89 for this. Really small one. I don't know. But it's a good price. It's worth it for the price. My thing, no, this sucks. But it still tastes good though. See you on the next episode though. Let's eat!